behind this. Of course, you know that the US dollar is the world reserve currency, and you want to be watching what the US dollar is doing, because if the US dollar is strong, you do not want to trade against US dollar, right? Now, first of all, I'll start from the fundamental side. All right. Now, data shows that the US economy is stronger when compared to other, major currencies, and economy. And when, aside from the fact that it's also a reserve, it's also a safe haven currency in terms of uncertainty, like the kind of tension we are seeing in the world. Now, from a from investor side, another thing is that its yield, it produces high yield when compared to other major currencies because of interest rate. You see that the fundamental side of it makes US dollar strong. Now let's look at the technical side, because this is very important. Okay, now from the technical side, okay, let's this is we are actually giving it a macro view, right? This is from the higher time frame and the monthly chart, by the way. If you're trading lower time frame, you necessarily may not need all of these things that I'm pointing out, right? Because you're trading, maybe you're a day trader, but if you're looking at it from a position trader side or a swing trader side, this is very important. Now let's look at this trend line. All right, now, if you notice, I'm zooming out, by the way. So if you notice on this monthly chart, we had this push to the upside and then price ranged, right? And then we had this push to the upside. When price came back, price ranged here, and then we had this push downside. Now, watch that. There's this first touch of this trend line here. This is the second touch. And now, the third touch, something happened. All right. Now, let's zoom. Let's zoom in, right? Now, if you touch, the trend line was holding price from falling below, and we noticed that price started ranging for up to 1 year. Mind you, prior to that, there was no reason for price to not fall to this point. All right, unless you may say maybe there were fundamental reasons. Now, mind you, while price was ranging, it was ranging above this resistant level, which is an area of supply and demand, because if you go back, you notice that that price level here holds price, and this is the monthly chart, by the way. Now, for the first time, price is breaking above this level, and the only barrier, looking at it from the technical side, is price coming to this point here, because there is this counter trend line here coming, right? So that means that US dollar technically is well structured to go as high as 106.000 technically. Yeah,